stadium of fire.
It's on center.
Why are those back ones going to bed? Look at the front ones, they go so low, and then the back ones
Liberty isn't a statue, it's a choice. It isn't a silence, it's a voice. It's a sweat on the brow, it's the vote in the hand. It's a promise we keep to this beautiful land. We're just getting started. Keep the pages turning for the ones who came before and the ones yet to be. This is our chapter in the land of the free. From sea to shining sea, under the stars and the sun. We We the people, still dreaming,
You should give some free ones.
still climbing. America 250.
I'll take it, you know.
Here's what I tell everyone.
flasher though.
We hold these truths to be self-evident.
Use my flashlight.
That all men are created equal.
We'll get all of them.
That they are endowed by their Creator with certain unalienable rights.
Go, Michael! Oh, we missed it.
And among these are life,
Now, Michael, now!
liberty,
I got one now! I have me on TikTok.
and the pursuit of happiness.
I'm not even in it either. I can't get it. We have to do it. Can you get on the TikTok? I know. Go. No, wait. Now! Yes! Bro, this is hard. Yes! That's hard. That is so hard.
I would think the drones would explode. I know. I bet the drones are like really close to us and the fireworks are like down there.
Actually, yeah, I think we're in front. Because you can see it explode behind them. Carter saw this girl, and he's going to get her number, but when we walked back, she's gone.
Is she cute?
That was kind of hard.
Like when do you guys leave?
Tomorrow morning.
You gotta get someone tonight. Alright, you got like
Utah kid.
what? Yeah. Wait, Utah girls or Arizona girls?
What?
Utah girls or Arizona girls?
I don't know, I feel like most Utah girls are just repeats. They're all the same.
Was that good repeat or bad?
Wait, guys, put your hands up. That was terrible. I don't know where they get the orange and blue from. Or the yellow.
Let's play Timview colors. Timview teachers.
That one shook the stage. This would be the perfect night to rob a store because of the gunshots. You couldn't tell the difference.
These are the only fireworks in this whole area though.
But some people are lighting them off themselves because
They're
they're
gonna
like,
get in trouble.
yeah.
Us three should get a picture at the end. I'm not doing a short. No, you're not gonna do it.
2 years ago, we went live streaming and we both got like 200 concurrent views.
You guys still do YouTube?
I used to. I had like 25K.
You guys have Instagram?
I only have TikTok. Try to throw it. Oh, you missed. Throw a paper ball.